Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this beautiful corporate gown. You'll be needing your tailor's chalk, tape, scissors. Draft a basic gown bodice as seen here. Draft 2 front basic gown bodies and 1 back bodice. Pick one of the front bodies and draw the start line as seen here. It should look like this after cutting. Use as facing for the front bodies. You will have something like this. Then couple both the front and back bodies together. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.